How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport and we need to make a key. So customer lost the only key. I'm gonna use Lishi MIT 11 and we're gonna pick the lock. I have plenty of videos to show how to pick the door lock and you can see it on my channel. I'm gonna fast forward. So after we picking the lock, we can start decoding the depth of the wafers inside so we can cut the key for the ignition. I'm gonna fast forward on this one and we have videos online to show how to decode the lock. And while I'm doing it, I saw two different options. So I'm gonna take a Mitsubishi 3 blank. It's a shoulder key. So we're gonna put it in my high security machine, SEC E9, and I'm gonna put it with the shoulder gauge stop. I'm gonna tighten it on the clamp, and we're gonna go to key blank. We're gonna find MIT 3, and we need 8 cuts, in parentheses, 8 cuts. And we're gonna go to input. Now I got two different options because I saw one pin that was not I was not sure if it's deeper or not, so I'm gonna cut first the shallow one, and then if it doesn't work I can cut the deeper one. So we're gonna fast forward for the cutting. After the key is cut, we're gonna clean up the metal shavings, we're gonna remove it from the clamp, and we're gonna go and test it in the door and see if it turns. Since this key doesn't have a head, I'm gonna attach a pair of pressure pliers or vice grips, and I'm gonna attach it to the top of the key, and with this I'll have enough power to try to turn it to the right and left. So this does not turn the right way. So what I'm going to do, I cut only the shallow cuts. So now I'm going to cut it the same key. I can cut a little bit deeper and we'll test it again. So the last 2 cuts is the one that I see that needs to be cut deeper. I'm going to put the stopper on the shoulder gauge, and I'm going to just change, I'm going to go to input and I'm going to change the last 2 digits. I'm going to change it to a 3. So now we're going to cut it again a little bit deeper and we'll test it again. This one works nice and easy on the door. We're gonna just test it on the ignition. It's not going to start because it doesn't have a chip, but that turns very nice in the ignition. So now I've just cut a Mitsubishi 17, which is a chip. It's a chip, so it works on the door. So now we're gonna start programming. I already fast forward the menu until we got the all keys lost. It says that it's gonna erase all the keys. I'm gonna hit OK. Now basically it's gonna attempt to read the pin code, but it's gonna get wrong because Mitsubishi have about 10 or 15 different pin codes default, and he's reading only the first one and it's not gonna be the right one. So I already checked online and I know that Mitsubishi Outlander 2019 have only one specific code, so I'm gonna just put it in as soon as it gives me the error. So it says the password is not correct. I already wrote it in, so it's 8A62, and I'm gonna put it in and hit OK. that's it. Learning succeeded. Do you want to program the next one? I'm going to hit no. Learning is completed. That's very easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the key. It's already programmed and we can turn it and start. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comments below and I would love to answer. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.